Hey there, friends. I'm here visiting our client's house where we are just putting all the final finishing touches on a brand new kitchen renovation that we've done. We are in the city of Brookhaven near Atlanta, and I just wanted to show you some of the stuff that we've done. So let me flip my camera around. You can see here as we walk in, these are brand new quartzite countertops, and quartzite is the actual pure fresh stone, like straight from the earth. So it is just extraordinarily beautiful. It has anywhere from like browns to grays to whites. It looks a lot like marble, and it's just absolutely stunning. And then they decided to do a backsplash, part of the same slab of quartzite stone there as well, which is just breathtaking. Brand new stainless steel appliances here, a stove and a microwave, brand new dishwasher as well that was installed. There's under cabinet lighting down here. We can peek from the bottom and see, so it really illuminates the backsplash and makes it really practical for the evening, and just makes it really mood efficient. And we still get those, electrical outlets right there by the stove. Any that we need over here in the kitchen for appliances and any kind of gadgets. And our clients decided, instead of getting brand new cabinets, they actually had a really great cabinet structure. They just wanted it to look a little bit different, so instead of replacing them, we refinished them. And they had the original stain on them, so we had to use a special prepping and priming process to get it right, and they turned out totally beautiful. Just making them a new color, freshening them up, and then putting new hardware on made it look like a whole new cabinet, and therefore a whole new kitchen. So that saves a lot of money from actually rebuilding cabinetry. So super excited about how those came out. There's brand new LED lights in the ceiling. They're dimmable, so you can make the feel of the room just exactly how you want it. And then a brand new beautiful stainless fridge as well. So we're just so pleased with how this came out. These are 12 by 24 inch luxury vinyl tile. It almost looks like a concrete slab with a little bit more character to it, and it's just so fresh, so clean. It's actually 100% waterproof, so even if you were, heaven forbid, to have an issue with a sink or refrigerator or a dishwasher leaking water somehow, that happens when we least expect it. So they're set up for success and protection for these to last forever. So super excited for how this is coming out. We're just putting on those final finishing touches, and just thrilled to see our clients enjoy their brand new kitchen. So if we can help you with a similar project or anything like that, reach out to us. We'd love to give you a free quote on that, and just glad to serve you guys and show you some new options for your home and make it exactly how you want it to be. We spend a whole lot of time in our houses, and it should be a special place that feels good, and we can help you find a price that's right for your budget and options that are green and energy efficient and healthier options, because a lot of materials that are used in homes are actually over time damaging to our health. So that's something we're very conscious of and intentional of when we choose the materials that we'll put into your home. So I hope that's helpful, hope it's encouraging, and hope you saw a little inspiration today. Hope you enjoyed it, and have a wonderful, wonderful Wednesday. Bye.